Car insurance in the USA is getting more expensive every year. But the truth is that almost 70% of Americans are actually overpaying for their coverage without realizing it. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can get cheap car insurance in the USA, lower your monthly bill, and save hundreds of dollars, all without reducing the protection you need. Whether you're a new driver, a teen driver, or someone who has been on the road for years, this 2025 guide will help you understand what insurance companies don't want you to know. Most drivers pay more simply because they don't understand how insurance pricing works. Your age, your zip code, your driving record, your credit score, your car model, and your coverage levels all affect how much you pay every month. Two drivers who live in the same city, drive the same car, and have the same age can still pay completely different amounts because each company calculates risk differently. That's why the secret to getting cheap car insurance begins with comparing quotes the right way. Most people check one or two companies and buy the first thing they see, but that's the biggest mistake. In the USA, you should always compare at least 5 major companies like Geico, State Farm, Progressive, Allstate, and USAA if you're military. When comparing, make sure all details match. Same mileage, same coverage, same deductible. Because even small changes can show fake price differences. Next, let's talk about discounts. Insurance companies offer dozens of discounts, but they rarely tell you about them unless you ask. There's the safe driver discount if you haven't had tickets or accidents. The multi-policy discount if you bundle home or renter's insurance. The good student discount for teens and college students. The new car safety discount for cars with modern safety features. Low mileage discounts if you don't drive a lot. And usage-based discounts from programs like Drive Safe and Save, Snapshot, and Drive Easy that reward safe driving. Most Americans qualify for at least 3 of these, yet they miss out because they never ask. Now let's talk about 2 changes that instantly lower your premium. First, raise your deductible from $500 to $1,000. This alone can reduce your cost by 15 to 25%. Second, remove full coverage from older cars, especially if your vehicle is 10 years old or more, because you might be paying extra for coverage that no longer benefits you. When it comes to the cheapest car insurance companies in the USA, Geico is usually best for low rates. Progressive is great for high-risk drivers. State Farm is best for teens and new drivers. USAA is the top choice for military families, and Nationwide offers strong coverage at reasonable prices. But remember, prices vary a lot by state. So what's cheap in Florida might not be cheap in California. And that's why comparing quotes for your zip code is so important. Now let's look at the biggest mistakes that make your insurance expensive. People keep paying for roadside assistance or rental coverage, even though their car warranty already includes it. They ignore their credit score, even though it affects insurance in many states. They don't update their annual mileage after changing jobs, and they stick with the same company for years without checking for new rates. Avoiding these mistakes alone can save you hundreds every single year. Saving on car insurance in the USA isn't difficult. You just need to understand how the system works. If you want more videos on the best insurance companies, real accident claim tips, and money-saving hacks that US drivers use, Make sure to subscribe, because I'll be sharing more weekly content to help you save more and drive smarter.